Hey guys, Steven here from 101 Designs. So today I'm going to be showing you two ways of creating a Duotone effect in Photoshop. Here we go. So the first one is the fastest, and this is how it goes. You just go down to your layer panel from the right side, my right side here. Then you click on channels. From the channels, you will see different channels: the red, green, blue. So you can just check which one has a good highlight. So I'm going to go with this one. Yeah, but you can actually make adjustment. Then from here you can go over the image, like the channel, that little channel box there. Then you hold Control or Command for Mac PC. Then you click on it. It will highlight the areas of the picture where the areas that has like the most highlights. Then you can go back to your layer, click back on layer, then you click on these adjustment layers here, then you click on solid color. So it's going to highlight the color for you. Then you can just make adjustments here, and you just need to pick the bright parts of like a brighter color. Then you click on this, then you go down on the layer panel, make another solid color, and then you can pick a darker color. So you see we already have our duotone. So you can still make adjustments from the first layer here, and you pick a brighter color, and then you go here and you can adjust the colors here, so to give you the actual kind of look you want. So I'm going to leave this on something like this. So the second way we can apply a duotone effect is to go down to your layer panel. So I'm using this dog image for this one. Go down to your layer panel, click on the new adjustment layer, click on gradient map, and then you can see these properties from up here. You click on it. So the trick here is to apply a dark color to the first side. That's the first handle there. So I apply a darker color to the first handle. I go to the second handle, and then you apply a brighter color. Yeah, so you see you already have that duotone effect. You can just adjust the colors to a way that's your preferable choice. So I'm going to leave this one like this. Then I'll go back to the darker color and see if I can make any adjustments. So this is how you can make a duotone effect in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new tutorial. Stay tuned, stay blessed.